Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a small but fascinating creature that many of us have seen crawling on the forest floor or in our gardens, the millipede. This one was found right here in Cambodia, and even though it may look a little scary to some, millipedes are actually peaceful and very important to our environment. So, what exactly is a millipede? In Khmer, people often call it, which literally means thousand-leg animal. But did you know that millipedes don't actually have 1,000 legs? Most species have between 100 to 400 legs, and the number depends on how many body segments they have. They belong to a group of animals called arthropods, which includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans. However, millipedes are different from centipedes. Centipedes are fast and can bite, while millipedes are slow, gentle, and don't bite at all. Let's talk about how millipedes help the environment. These creatures are decomposers. That means they eat dead leaves, decaying wood, and organic matter. By doing this, they help break down dead plant material and return nutrients back into the soil. In other words, millipedes are like little farmers working in secret, keeping the ground healthy for new plants to grow. Without them, our soil would become poor, and many plants would struggle to survive. Now, let's take a closer look at the body of a millipede. If you look at the video or photo closely, you can see that its body is long and made of many small segments. Each segment has 2 pairs of legs, which is how you can tell it's a millipede and not a centipede. This one has a flat-backed body, which is common for a group of millipedes called Polydesmata. They're often found in tropical countries like Cambodia, especially in damp places like under rocks, old logs, or near rice fields. Millipedes are also great at protecting themselves. Even though they can't run fast or bite, they have a clever defense. When they feel threatened, they curl up into a tight coil to protect their soft underside. Some species can also release a special chemical from their body. This chemical smells bad or can even irritate the skin or eyes of predators like ants, frogs, or birds. But don't worry, the millipedes in Cambodia are mostly harmless to people. Just be sure to wash your hands after touching one. What do millipedes eat? As I mentioned earlier, they are detritivores, which means they feed on dead and decaying organic matter. In your garden, you might find them munching on fallen leaves, rotting fruit, or pieces of wood. This diet helps clean up the environment naturally. Some farmers even say millipedes help keep the soil fertile, which is good news for those of us who grow vegetables or rice. So next time you see one of these little creatures slowly crawling through the dirt or across a rock, don't be afraid. These peaceful insects play an important role in keeping our natural world in balance. Here in Cambodia,